All right. So my team, Group 7, have built Q Smart, a smart queuing system that solves the problem that when we have long queues, people will ordinarily have to stay on those queues for long hours instead of having maybe going about their busy activities while they join the queue. So this is our solution. We have a digital queue where you can join, have continue your daily activities, and whenever it's time for you, whenever you are next on the queue, you are elected to come to the queue. So that's the basic solution we built. We'll start with the demo now since we don't have too much time. All right. So Joshua, you can go ahead.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Joseph. So this is a demonstration of the queue smart. That's the queue management system. So we have two portals. That's the manager's side and also the customer side. So the managers sign up and follow an onboarding session. That's they create their organization and the kind of services they provide. So something like Ghana Passport Service is an organization. Then the service they provide is something like a passport renewal or passport creation and all the rest. So due to time, we have created an organization called Ghana Passport Service, and we are going to show you. So let's walk through by first signing up using the user account. So you start with this email, and let's type in our password. Okay, so let's create an account. So for the account creation, we use AWS Cognito to save our users' credentials and also to send email codes to users. So whilst you're waiting for the code, let's walk us through what the entire process is about. So the entire process is let's say a customer comes and wants to join a queue for Ghana Passport Service. We have provided a pre-vetting service so that the user can check the documents Ghana Passport Service needs for the type of service he or she is trying to join the queue. So let's say for a passport renewal, Ghana Passport Service needs something like, let's say, Ghana card and also birth certificate. So with that, um, users can just go straight and chat with AI for the AI to prevent the document. So users will upload their document, let's say Ghana card or birth cert, then the AI will prevent so that is the document correct. So how is the AI doing it? So we have pre-feeded the AI with the kind of wallet fields we like. So something like Ghana card, the AI is able to extract that. Let's say we want the name, we want the picture, we want this. So if everything is intact, then that means the AI is going to check that everything is correct and also check for the kind of service that you want. Have you submitted all the documents? If yes, fine, then you can continue to join the queue. So the AI prepares you to make your documents and everything intact so that you can continue. Yeah, Mr. Joseph, please can I
Okay.
get the
So
code?
yep. So let's just sign in with something we already have since I have some technical issue now.
Okay.
A new browser, then we sign in with one of our accounts already.
Yeah. Okay, so let's use an account. Okay, so I think you are in, right? Yeah. So I think we have passed through the vetting process and the email has been verified. Okay. So let's continue. So these are the services that they are already pre-filled inside the database. So this is what the user will see. So these are the organizations, right? As you can see, we have organizations here. So from Ghana Passport and also Atlas Test Organization. So how does these organizations work? So that's through the manager's dashboard, right? So when you go to the manager's dashboard, so this is a sign-in process, right? So if you want to create an account, you just create an account and it takes you to the onboarding session. But since you have already created an account, let's use the account we created. So let me sign into the manager's dashboard. Okay, so after signing into the manager's dashboard, right? You can see this organization and the number of people that are waiting, right? So we have the first queue, sorry, the second queue and the third queue, right? So other people have already tried to join, right? So every service or every organization have to set up a desk, right? So the desk one or the desk, they are like the tellers of bank, right? So they will attend to the queue. So if Dex one is open and is ready, as you can see here, Dex one is open for to accept new entries, right? So Dex one can call next, right? You can call the next person. And if the next one is done with the person in Q2, it can go on to done. So as you can see, after calling the next, you can see that this one is busy. That means this one is attending to the user, right? And organization can create desks during the onboarding session. So when you come here also, let's say then for the new user, you have Accra passport. So let's use the Accra Passport Organization. So after setting up this, you see all the services they provide. So one of the services they provide is the passport renewal. And during the onboarding session, you have to give the number or the estimated time you attend to each particular person. So let's say for each individual person, they are taking 40 minutes, right, with a person. So based on this estimated time, that's what we use to calculate for the estimated time other people on the queue have to attend to a service. So let's say if another person is in Q2 or Q10, that means you are going to sum up the total estimated time, make some calculations there, provide it or feed it to AI using their location, and then send them an email or a push notification that they should get ready. Maybe it's getting to their turn. So after setting the passport renewal, that means they need the Ghana card and the birth cert, right? So you get to the documents that they need. That's the 10th step. That's current passport photo, Ghana card, and application form. So let's say you upload anything for the application form, right? Perfect. You are done. Then you can join the queue. You can also chat with AI to see if your document is correct. So let's say, hello, are my documents intact? So the AI is going to provide you with feedback on how um things are with your documents, right? So after the AI has processed everything, it's going to send you a push notification or a message after you have joined the queue, right? So while the AI is processing that, you can join the queue. Perfect. So after the application form, We'll move on to join the queue. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see here, the person is on Q4, right? So this is the ticket, and the person is on Q4. So this is the estimated time. That's 22 minutes for the person to get for you to get to the person's turn, right? And we also have the users can allow for push notifications and they can set their location. So why are we taking users location? So the users location will be taken pre-feed with the AI based on a time estimation that you have done. So when it's time, based on the user location, that's the longitude and the latitude, the AI can calculate that maybe there'll be traffic on the way, or maybe there's going to be an obstacle. So set out from this time so that you can get on the place on time, right? So that's the location and the notification side. So since it's not on their tent, they can view other services or still leave the queue. So when you come to the managers session, you see that perfect. You can see there is a lot of queue, right? So if you are done with the first person, you can click on done, and the queue will automatically move to the next person, right? So that the decks can attend to the other people on the queue. So what organizations have to do is just add a lot of decks, right? So the first deck is done with the first person. Let's take the next person. So when you call next, it's going to pick another person on the queue, and you see. So with ours, you were okay, so have you seen there was a push notification saying that we can set out from now, right? That means we have taken in the person before us, so now we have been moved to queue number 3, right? So let's done get done with the next person and move on. Okay, so you are done with the next person. We call the next one. So it will be in that order. So in order for the organization to run very, very fast, they have to provide a lot of decks, right? Sorry, I've been clicking on it twice. So you can see, right? So when you refresh here, you can see that now the estimated time is 11 minutes and still we are not being served, right? Okay. So you can click on
All
done.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So I think yep, that's essentially the solution that we have built. If we had more time, I would have shown you more on the app. There are other things we can talk about due to the time constraint. Yep. So this is the basically the solution that we have built. Okay. So we can end the recording, right?
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.